Now, one important thing that makes your drawing look super realistic is by adding light, which is also known as highlight creation. Now, which tools do you use to create highlight? When do you have to create your highlight? Do I have to get all the highlighting tools before I can create a realistic drawing? Now, in this video, I'm going to outline the important tools you need and how to use them to create a super realistic drawing. Let's get started. Now, my first tool is Tombow eraser. Now, Tombow eraser is popular eraser which is known for doing skin details. Okay, so if you are drawing and you want to do highlight, you want to bring some highlight, you go in for Tombow eraser. Tombow eraser, it has multiple functions, as you already know. So it's used to do details, it's used to do highlights. Okay, it's used to erase. Okay, supposing there is a portion that you feel like erasing, you just use it lightly to erase that portion. My second highlight tool is electric eraser. Now, electric eraser is much powerful than Tombow eraser. The reason being that the electric eraser uses battery, just with the name. Okay, electric, it uses battery to create. Okay, so the battery power is more. Do you understand? So when you use when you press the button, then the eraser rotates. Then it takes a lot of dust. Let's say like that. Okay. Supposing you want to clean with it, it takes a lot of dust. So because of the power in it, the battery system in it, it takes a lot of dirt or a lot of cleaning. Do you understand? So electric razor. So if you are used to create skin details, when light reflects on object, it creates a lot of tones. It creates like three tones. Uh, the main tones, which is the dark tone, the middle tone, and light tone. So, for instance, if you use the Tombow eraser to create the middle tone, the light tone, you should use electric eraser. Do you understand? Because the light highlight will be different. Do you get what I'm saying? So, electric eraser is used for to create bright highlights. Okay, to create bright highlights. Going for if you feel like there's a portion in your reference that is too bright, you feel like, oh, I need it to come out more, then you go in for electric razor. It is very powerful, electric razor. Now, my third highlight tool I'm going to introduce to you guys is white pencil. White pencil. Okay, this is general white pencil. We also have another brand here which I don't know its name, is not written on it. It's not as powerful like general white pencil. So if you're a beginner and you want to go in for white pencil, I recommend General's Charcoal. This is a free promo just because I love their product. Do you understand? So General's Charcoal pencil, white pencil, is very powerful. Now this tool is also used to create highlights. Okay, so if you don't have um, electric eraser or Tombow eraser, you can use General's Charcoal white. Okay, General's Charcoal white. You can even use the three together. So you use some portion to do the use the electric or Tombow to do some portion, then you use um, General's Charcoal white to do another. So this is just like a paint. Okay, I don't know, colored pencil. Do you understand? It's just like color pencil set that we buy in this white pencil in it. So but this is kind of more powerful than those white pencil. Do you understand? So this is just like a color, white color that we used to create highlights. Anytime you do pencil work, we used to create the highlights. Do you understand? And it is very, very powerful. We used to create hair strands. Oh, Charlie, it is very, very powerful. Trust me, it is very, very powerful. So this is white pencil. In case you want to create details, you can go in for it. So this is General's Charcoal white. My next highlight tool I'm going to introduce to you is kneaded eraser. Wow, kneaded eraser. Kneaded eraser is with a name. I have one here that I need to open for you guys to see. Okay, I just wrap this in a rubber, right? I use it. I just didn't want it to get stained. So this how it looks like. So this kneaded eraser. Okay, we used to do highlights. Kneaded eraser doesn't scoop much dirt. Okay, so if you are doing details and you don't want it to scoop too much of the cleaning, you don't want to clean too much, then you go in for kneaded eraser. It doesn't clean too much, you just do the mouth pointed like this. It's needed, it's manipulated to any size. You just do it to create your dots on your skin. Do you understand? Then you go. So kneaded eraser is is known for creating like middle tones, okay, or maybe dark tone that you want to create some little highlight inside. Then you use the kneaded eraser. You do it the mouth pointed and you pick those details out. Because if you go in for electric razor or Tombow eraser or white pencil, if you to do those details, it won't look unreal. It won't look real. It will very be unreal. Do you understand? Because there are some principles that light follows. When light hits on object, there are certain things that it creates, and you can't change that rule. Do you understand? So use kneaded eraser to create your highlight in portions that are not very bright. Okay, you can use kneaded eraser to achieve that. Okay, yeah. So this is a kneaded eraser. This is our kneaded eraser. Now our next tool I'm going to introduce to you is correction pen. Correction pen. Now correction pen is known for like the name says, used for pen. Okay, when you are writing, you are in the classroom, you use pen, then there's a mistake, you can use correction pen to do it. Others call it correction fluid. Do you understand? So the same way, the way it behaves like how the white pencil does. Okay, so when you want to do details, very bright areas, you want to do highlight, very bright highlight, you can use the correction pen. Because it's white, it's an ink inside. Because it's white, you can use it to do dot dot to give it those bright highlights. Do you understand? So correction pen is one tool that you should consider as an artist if you want to create highlight. Okay, supposing you want to create highlight and you don't have all these two around, you don't necessarily have to have everything before you can create highlight. Do you understand? So I'm introducing highlight tools to you so that you know that if I don't have this, you can improvise to me, because we are artists, we create. Do you understand? So consider correction. Maybe you have correction pen in your wardrobe or something, and you are trying to get another highlight pen, a highlight eraser or something. You can use this one for the meantime. Do you understand? Yes, correction pen. And one tool that I'm also going to introduce to you is gel pen. Gel pen, I don't have it here with me, but it's on the screen. Gel pen. So gel pen is also used to create highlights. Okay, it's also known for highlights creating tool. So it just behaves, it equally behaves like this one, the correction pen. It's just like the correction pen, 100% or 99.99% like correction pen, because it's just also like ink, but just that the size of it is a bit thin. Do you understand? Correction pen. Correction pen, you can consider correction pen as highlighting creating tool that you can use to do highlight as a beginner. You just use to create. No one will come and ask you, why did you use this tool to create highlight? You are an artist, no one can question you. It's your creativity. Do you understand? So you use correction pen to create your highlight. So these are my highlighting tool, and for you sticking to the video, I'm going to give you a bonus tool to add to it, which is stylus pen. I don't have it here, but it's on your screen. Stylus pen. Stylus pen. This is remember I did a video about stylus pen. We used to create hair, realistic hair. It's kind of a reverse thing. Okay, you used to do your paper. You used to create some strong hair strands on your paper. Then when you shade it, then it pops out as white. Do you understand? So stylus pen is one tool to create realistic drawing, to create highlight. So if you don't have these tools to create hair highlights and things, you can use stylus pen to create your highlight. Do you understand? So stylus pen is one of the two. If you don't have a stylus pen around you, or you don't know how to buy it, or you don't know where to get it, I've made a video uh, about how to improvise. Okay, what to use in place of stylus pen to get your work done. Okay, how you can get your work done with another tool. So go and watch that video on my page. So stylus pen is also a tool that you can also consider to create your realistic drawing, to create highlights. Do you understand? Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you. Now we have a drawing class online where we teach beginners how to draw from scratch and how to produce realistic drawing and become that great artist you ever wanted to be. Now, this course is available on our website logoart.com. You can either purchase the course there directly or pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will enroll you in this course. Now, this course is available for everyone, whether you are in the country or outside the country, everybody around the world. Or maybe you want the tools and materials used in this video and you don't know where to buy them. Now we have everything available. Now pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will deliver to wherever you are. You are always welcome.